So good morning everyone. The workshop has started. Got 3 rows laid out. Pretty awesome. So I haven't been doing much filming. We're working with volunteers and they haven't really wanted to be in the videos, so haven't done much, but I'm showing you now. Earthbag staircase has started to be constructed. That's the principle of how it's going to work. I'm going to build that up with the retaining walls and there'll be a door frame in there. Yeah, that's how we're getting on so far. 3 rows, nearly time to run some plug sockets and stuff. All the way around to where the opening, the big oak opening is going to go between here and here. Yeah, using a little tractor, take a scoop, filling bags up, putting them in place. We got barbed wire and stuff to run around this morning. Yeah, very pleased. We put the damp proofing round. Yeah, so just going to be filling these up. I think it's about 13 rows of bags for this lower floor, using this little contraption to fill the bags. Yeah, it's going well, very pleased so far. Here it is from the top looking down. So looks like a pretty nice shape. It's starting to look like the model did, which is exactly what it's supposed to be. We're back to shaky video again, I'm afraid, because of the audio situation, but I'm still working on that. So the stairs are going to come up and join up here. Yeah, it's all going to plan. We won't be starting on this year, this will be next spring, this top bit. Enough to do down there for now. Okay, gonna run barbed wire around and we'll get started. Yeah, we got earthbag filling going on. So let's bring the big digger down here to break up the pile there. It's getting a bit compacted. So making the doorway here for the stairs. Just started doing this mortise here. There's the tenon. So we're going to actually couple this out so it fits. Yeah, to make that, we'll have the 2 openings then, 2 doorways that we can stuff between the bags. They've got the volunteers team over there working away. I'm going to do a bit of this, going backwards and forwards. Yeah, let's get on with it. Check it out. So I've got the tenon in place just there. So now I'm going to do a scribe fit around it, get it to fit nice and close to that. It's going to look awesome. So try and do a scribe fit here. Hey everyone, check it out. Got some door frame coming together. Got that joint scribe fit. Needs pegging. Quite a nice fit really. So I've been working on that. I've had volunteers here, so I haven't really been able to do recording because I don't want to be on camera. But check it out, getting a lot done. I hope the sound's alright on this. Still struggling with sound. I've got waiting for some parts to turn up. But check that out. How good is that? Properly coming along. Doing a row a day with help. Got power wired in, got my rings done. Power's going to come in there, sink there, outlet and stuff. Yeah, got all my rings in. The odd spur coming off, that'll be a fuse spur. The stairs along here, earthbag stairs. Oh, falling over. Helps with the stabiliser, fall over a lot. Stairs out of earthbags. There's going to be that doorway is going to be going in there. Loving the technique. Earthbags, infinitely, variable, different things, different shapes you can make. In the ends, I'm pounding in old tent poles to stabilise the edges. But yeah, really pleased with that. It's coming along. Scooping the tractor and getting a bucket, filling it on this little contraption. Coming along really well. But yeah, we're going to get another row done tomorrow. And want to get up here for winter, get all this stabilised, cover it up then, and then in the spring we'll come back and do the roofing. Yeah, very pleased. Big old building. That entrance way you've seen me build, it's going to sit in there. Obviously the wall will be built up to it. yeah, just thought I'd give you a quick show of what's been going on. So tomorrow I'm going to add another row, do a bit more work on the stairs, and I'll take you along for that. Okay, got another row done today, well, almost done. So we're more than halfway now, this ground floor. Stairs are coming along well. Obviously there's going to be more work involved in the stairs. They're going to, be plastered and have coverings on them, but this is just putting the mass back in an organised way. Yeah, it's coming along well, really pleased. Just filling in ground, protecting the pipe, bits of cob and stuff. And, yeah, it's coming along. Really pleased. Get up there eventually. I've done the calculations, it should work out. So yeah, just going to carry on now, and I need to get that door frame done I showed you earlier. Sit in there and then I can build up these walls to it, because at the moment we're just staggering back, so I can build them in. Got the fixing points I've been making that go into the walls, what the door frame will attach to. Yeah, we're getting there. Let's say wiring's all done, rings anyway. Put the light socket, light switches and that will go in the another couple of rows up. Yeah, making good progress. Looking really good. I'll go at the top and show you from the top. Okay, here we go from the top. See, it's sort of the shape it's meant to be. Same as the model. Walls aren't exactly right, but as we know, I don't really care about that. I like wobbliness. Yeah. Really is actually coming along. It's actually going to be something. See, that's going to be the wall that eventually comes up here. So I'm on the top floor now. Genuinely close to actually being something, proper building. Look at that. Oh, that's a good shot. There we go. Looks like the model, right? Great. Okay, so that's going to be the end of this video. Just going to finish this row. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.